Здесь рождаются новые тренды.
This is where new trends appear and new names are discovered. The new season of Ukrainian Fashion Week has kicked off. All the fashionistas from around the country and around the world have gathered in one place. My favorite color is pink. I like to wear dresses. I bought this pullover in Munich, Germany. It is a Christmassy pullover, it shines. This is not how I look every day, but it's close.
Lilia Pustovich is the designer whose collection will open Ukrainian Fashion Week 2018. Her line incorporates elements of an 80s party, bright colors, and incendiary music. The designer says she was inspired by the clubbing culture and technology of the times.
As you can see, shiny fabric is back in fashion. Also, rhinestones are trendy. And of course, having a positive perception of the world that surrounds us is always popular.
Among the fans of Lilia's brand is real fashion icon, actress, and TV presenter Masha Yefrosinina. She claims that 1/3 of her wardrobe is created by Ukrainian designers.
I have a lot of pieces by Lilia Pustovit. Not many people have the dresses that I wear practically every day. Sometimes I donate, sell, or just give away certain pieces of clothing, but I never give away Pustovit's designs. They have a special meaning to me as I have personal story connected to them. I wore some of them to important interviews or to memorable shoots.
On the first day of Fashion Week, another Ukrainian designer, Olena Golets, also displayed her new collection. She just opened a new showroom in Milan. It's a pity that my showroom is in Milan. It is easier to look bright and wear bright outfits here in Kyiv. I try to look stylish and play with colors. Here in Kyiv, people have good taste and they're not afraid of looking flashy. As of today, Ukrainian brands are represented in 40 countries around the world. Online sales cover the whole globe. The Ukrainian fashion industry has a bright future ahead of it, says Ukraine's sales representative and Deputy Minister of Economy Natalia Mikolska. She herself has been buying Ukrainian brands for 3 years now. High-profile politicians often pay attention to people's clothing, and when they found out that the clothes were made in Ukraine by a Ukrainian designer, that they are sold in 20 or 30 countries, they are surprised at first. But when you tell them more, they even ask where they can buy some themselves. Ukrainian Fashion Week is full of surprises. This year, people can bring their old jeans here and go home with a new fashionable item. It's free, you can bring any denim clothes, jackets, pants, shirts. I'm not turning jeans into a skirt. You can remodel straight-leg jeans into bell-bottoms. You can also turn them into a jacket, a belt, a bag, or a backpack. Students of design schools upcycle clothes in the fashion tech zone of the event. Well-known Ukrainian designers also took advantage of the latest modern technologies. We are creating examples of how you can print any accessory. The 3D scanning zone allows a person to scan themselves in just a few seconds and instantly see a 3D model of their body. Another surprise, a renovated showroom. 150 square meters, a unique design, and clothes and accessories from 14 Ukrainian designers available for sale. Ukrainian Fashion Week will last until February 8th.